Namaste children. In our chapter transport system, at first we had seen the blood circulatory system where the blood it is pumped all over the body within the blood vessels by the heart pressure that is created by the heart. So now in that blood circulatory system we understood blood is one of the major important component that is transporting gases, transporting food, required minerals and nutrients to all the body parts. Even it is collecting the waste materials from all the body parts, and it is purifying, pumping that waste for purification purpose, where heart is one of the organ which is collecting the blood from various body parts and pumping that blood to lungs for purification purpose, where in the lungs we understood that the purification of waste gases like carbon dioxide it is done. Okay, so now in our body along with the carbon dioxide some other waste materials are also produced. Along with carbon dioxide, some other waste materials are also produced by our body by every functioning cell. That waste materials are present in a form of nitrogenous waste. So to remove this nitrogenous waste material, there are another specialized organ systems that are formed in our body, which we are saying as a excretory system. So in our today's class, we are going to learn about the major excretory system that is present in our body, which is meant for excreting the waste materials, especially the nitrogenous waste materials from our body. Okay, chalo, let us start our class. So all these things, different blood vessels, that is arteries, veins, heart, internal structure of heart, circulation, double circulation by the heartbeat, all these things are completed. So now it is about the excretory system that is present in the animals. So excretory system, it is performing a work called excretion. So in our human body, this excretory system, the major excretory system, that is your urinary system, which contains kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. So now from various body parts, the blood that is brings to these kidneys, which is a waste blood. That means it is containing nitrogenous waste. So removal of this nitrogenous waste is very much important, because to maintain a proper osmotic balance in the body and even to lead a healthy life. So from various body parts, the waste products are sent to the kidneys. So now these kidneys, inside these kidneys, the filtration of the waste material occurs, and after filtration, the removal of the waste materials is also occurred in a form of urine. So the urine from these kidneys, it is sent to the ureters and then to the urinary bladder, and with the help of this pointed urethra and the anus, it is sent out from the body. So let us see human kidneys. So if you will see a pair of kidneys that are present on either side of the backbone near the pelvic region. Pair of kidneys means two kidneys. They are present on either side of the backbone. Yes. So if you will see this kidney it is appearing in a shape of bean. A bean-shaped pair of kidneys that are present in our body towards the back side of the body near the pelvic region. So here if you will see this pair of kidneys, the right kidney it is slightly down to comparatively to the left kidney, because right side you are having the gland that is liver, which is occupying more space, so it is little bit down comparatively to the left kidney. So if you will observe one more thing, now from different body parts, now the waste blood it is collected and it is sent to the kidneys with the help of a blood vessel that is called renal artery. With the help of the blood vessel that is renal artery, now the nitrogenous waste blood that is collected from different body parts and it is sent into the kidneys. So now inside the kidneys there are some functioning cells that are called nephrons. Remember this word, nephron. Nephron, it is called the functional unit of kidneys, because the cells that are present in the kidneys we are calling them as a nephrons. Now these nephrons they are filtering the nitrogenous waste, and that filtration we are calling as a ultrafiltration. Yes, nephrons are filtering the nitrogenous waste materials within the kidneys. And yes, here you can see this is the nephron. Yes, here the nephron it is filtering the nitrogen. Every time I'm mentioning, remember, nitrogenous waste from the kidneys, and then after filtering the nitrogenous waste they are sending that waste in a form of urine through a small tube-like structures that are called ureters. So now that urine it is passing through the ureters and comes into a big sac-like structure called urinary bladder. Inside this urinary bladder, now the urine it will store for some time till it fills, and now with the help of this pointed urethra, the urine it is sent out through an opening called anus. Okay, a pair of kidneys are present which are filtering the nitrogenous waste. So from various body parts, now the blood it is collected into the kidneys with the help of the renal artery. Here inside the kidneys nephrons are present which are filtering the waste materials, and that urine which is filtered here in the kidneys it is sent to the ureters into the urinary bladder, where the urine is stored for some time, and then with the help of the urethra the urine it is expelled out. So now after filtering the waste material, now from the kidneys with the help of renal vein, now the pure blood it is sent or pumped to all the body parts. Okay, so in detail structure of this nephron, how the filtration process will occur, all these things you're going to learn in your further classes. Okay children, thank you so much.